Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So now how to make the square root, how to type the square root on Google Docs, I just going to show. So you just need just going to make a line. So now you just need to click on the insert option here, then click on the equation SQRT and then make a space. Automatically the square root will be applied. So you just need to click on the insert option, then go to the equation, make a slash, this side slash and SQRT and just press the space button on your keyboard. Automatically the square root will be here and you can type whatever that you want. So next type, you just need a square root with this power. So you just click on the insert option, then click the equation. Now you can see a new equation options over here. You just click on the math operations, so there will be a lot of equation here. You can select the whatever equation that you want. For an example, I just click it's 52 and click inside and I just going to put a number. So you can just make your equation by this and you can put a square root by this option. So try this option on Google Docs now. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button below for watching more videos about Google Docs.